Let me ask you something. What if your body could turn back the clock? Not by lifting weights, not by running miles, but by doing something so gentle, so simple, you could do it right where you sit. What if, in just a few minutes a day, you could erase that fear of losing balance and stop the stumbles before they happen and feel steady on your feet again, no matter your age? Most people don't realize this, but one of the biggest signs of aging isn't wrinkles or gray hair. It's when you start holding onto furniture just to walk across the room. That slow loss of balance is your body's cry for help. And if you ignore it, it can quietly steal your independence. But here's the truth no one told you. Your balance can be rebuilt. Your legs can grow stronger. Your coordination can return. And it starts with just 3 simple moves that you can do at home, with no pain, no strain, and no equipment. These are the same exercises physical therapists use to help seniors restore stability and confidence. And today I'll walk you through every one of them. Before we begin, let's understand why your balance fades. It's not weakness. It's not age alone. It's because 3 systems, your eyes, your inner ear, and your muscle sensors, stop communicating as clearly as they once did. Your eyes send slower signals. The tiny balance crystals in your inner ear shift, and your muscles stop telling your brain where you are in space. So when you move quickly or step off a curb, your brain can't react fast enough. That's why so many people over 50 suddenly feel dizzy, wobbly, or unstable, even if they're otherwise healthy. But the miracle of the human body is that these systems can be retrained. Science now proves that with targeted balance exercises, your brain literally rewires itself, building new neural connections that restore stability and coordination. That's why I always tell my patients, balance is not something you lose forever. It's something you forget. And these 3 moves will help your body remember. The first exercise is what I call the tightrope walk. It looks easy, but don't underestimate it. Stand tall near a wall or countertop for support. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe, just like you're walking on a tightrope. Keep your eyes forward, shoulders relaxed, and start walking slowly. Every step forces your body to make tiny corrections. Your ankles, hips, and core all wake up to keep you stable. It might feel shaky at first. You might wobble. That's not failure. That's your body learning again. If you do this for just 2 minutes a day, you'll notice something incredible. Your gait becomes smoother. Your reaction time sharpens. Your feet feel lighter and more secure. It's like waking up old pathways that have been asleep for years. And if you want to make it more challenging, try looking straight ahead instead of down. That forces your inner ear to do the work. And that's where real balance begins. Next, the second exercise, the one-leg stand. This one is a quiet powerhouse. Stand behind a chair, hold the backrest lightly, and lift one foot just an inch or 2 off the floor. Keep your posture tall, your stomach slightly engaged. Hold it for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Feel how your supporting leg starts to tremble a little? That's good. That is your stabilizer muscles firing. The same ones that keep you from falling when you trip or step unevenly. If you want to make it harder, move one hand off the chair or close your eyes for a few seconds. Research shows that seniors who practice this exercise daily reduce their fall risk by nearly 40% in just a few weeks. It's one of the simplest, most effective ways to strengthen balance reflexes. And you can do it anywhere, even while brushing your teeth. The third and final movement might surprise you. It's done sitting down. It's called the seated core press. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, feet flat, spine straight. Place your palms on your thighs. Inhale deeply. Then as you exhale, press your hands down while tightening your abdominal muscles. Imagine bracing your core like you're protecting your belly from a gentle push. Hold that pressure for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat it 10 times. You'll feel your deep core muscles, the ones that keep your spine aligned, activating without any strain. This exercise rebuilds the foundation of your balance, your center. Because true stability doesn't start in your feet. It starts in your core. Once your midsection is strong, every step you take becomes more controlled, more fluid, and safer. Now let's talk about something most people never think about. Balance is mental too. When you move with fear, your muscles tighten, your breathing shortens, and your balance worsens. But when you move with calm focus, your body naturally aligns. That's why I tell my patients to breathe slowly while they practice. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your breath connecting your body and mind. This combination of movement and mindfulness doesn't just restore physical stability, it rebuilds confidence. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up in the morning, step out of bed, and feel steady. You walk across the kitchen without grabbing the counter. You go for a walk outside, unafraid of tripping or stumbling. You even bend down to pick something up without losing your footing. That's not a fantasy. That's your body remembering what it was designed to do. Move with grace, strength, and balance. And the best part? You don't need hours, just 5 minutes a day. That's it. 5 minutes to wake up your balance system. 5 minutes to retrain your brain and muscles to communicate again. Consistency beats intensity every single time, because your body doesn't age evenly. What ages fastest is what you stop using. When you reactivate those systems through short, mindful exercises, your body starts rebuilding faster than you'd believe. Let's set a goal together. For the next 7 days, practice these 3 moves daily. Day 1, focus on the tightrope walk and even 60 seconds counts. Day 2, hold the one-leg stand as long as you safely can. Day 3, repeat the seated core press while watching TV or drinking tea. Days 4 through 7, combine all 3. You'll notice your legs feel stronger, your posture improves, and you start to move without that constant brace yourself mindset. Here's what usually happens. Around week 2, your mind starts trusting your body again. Around week 4, your friends notice something. You're walking taller. And around week 6, you notice something deeper. You don't think about balance anymore, it's just there. Automatic. Natural. The way it used to be. Now there's something beautiful about this kind of progress. When you regain physical balance, you often regain emotional balance too. You start feeling more centered in life, calmer, more confident, more capable. I've seen 70-year-olds who could not stand on one leg for 2 seconds end up dancing at their granddaughter's wedding. I've seen 80-year-olds start walking daily again because they finally felt safe on their feet. It's never too late. You just have to start. So, let's take one small step right now. Wherever you are, sit tall, take a deep breath, and lift one foot for 3 seconds. Feel your body respond, your ankle, your core, your posture adjusting naturally. That's your inner balance waking up. That's proof you can change. Remember this. Balance isn't lost with age. It's lost with neglect. But the moment you start training again, your body listens. It rebuilds. It adapts. That's how the human body was designed, to recover at any age. So tomorrow morning, don't just reach for your coffee, reach for your balance. Start your day with those 3 simple moves. Heel-to-toe walk, one-leg stand, seated core press. Just 5 minutes. That's all it takes to turn fear into freedom, weakness into strength, and hesitation into confidence. Your body still remembers how to move freely. It's waiting for you to remind it. So start today. You're not just rebuilding balance. You're rebuilding trust in your body and in yourself. Because life after 50 isn't about slowing down. It's about standing taller, walking stronger, and living fully, one steady step at a time.